I've had this piece of furniture sitting in my home for nearly a decade. It's an oak 1940s Scandinavian style cabinet. It's pretty rough on the top, so I think I'm going to strip that back, and the whole shelf is about to come off. And this is an absolute lovely piece. I got it for $50, and it took me some time to do. And wait for what happens next when I open the cabinet. Oops. I thought I took all of those out. This is ugly wallpaper, so I'm gonna have to take that off. I'm now going to take off all the ugly wallpaper. I decided to use my heat gun after trying to chisel it out, which was harder, so I just went to the heat gun instead. I was taking it off. I had these markings of some sort, so I think I'll be able to figure it out of where it's from. I didn't like the white top, so I'm just going to strip it down, and I'm going to strip the shelf down as well later in the video. I'm now going to let it sit for 20 minutes before I scrape all off the paint. And I'm going to respray paint all the handles to gold. Before I take off the paint stripper, Angel said to like, subscribe, and comment where you're from if you're enjoying the video. Thank you very much, it'll help out a lot. I'm now going to sand the whole thing down with 120 grit sandpaper. Also, I've learned that if you scrape it down, you'll tend to not scratch it better when you're sanding it down with your sandpaper. So I tend to just use my scraper first and then use my sander. and it comes out as a better finish overall. Remember those sticks I took off? I'm going to paint those, but one of the sticks goes over this big crack, but I'm going to fill it in just so, you know, it's better and it holds it together better. But I'm going to take out these nails first. I've decided to paint the squares and the rectangles with a black stain to make it cool interior and cool on the exterior. I thought of something new to try. I'm going to put tape around the cracks because I think it'll be easier to sand and it'll be easier to actually fill in the holes I need to fill, and you'll be surprised how it turned out. It dries pretty quick, so I'm going to let it sit to 12 to 24 hours. But for now, I'm going to stain the top with this new teak oil I got, and it was perfect for it, I tell you. It did work, and I thought it wasn't going to work, and it actually worked. So I'm going to start doing that more in my videos if there's cracks needing to be filled. And yeah, I just learned something new. That's nice. I'm now going to hit back in these stained rods I did, because I originally thought I was just going to take them off and not use them again, but you know, I thought it was actually did look good on it, so I decided to put them back on. I'm now going to strip the whole top down. I'll let that sit for 20 minutes, but for now I'm gonna use these gold tacks I bought because, you know, I spray painted the handles gold, so may as well use them to hammer this in better. And it'd be way cooler for the display since it's gold. Same old, I'm going to sand it down with 120 grit sandpaper now. I'm now going to glue and clamp down the top back on, as it did not stay on the first time I got it. Rain is showing for real nice. This piece overall took me 5 hours and 30 minutes to 6 hours to do. Is the final result worth your subscribe and like?